Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. When a primary aliphatic amine reacts with nitrous acid, HNO2, it forms a diazonium ion intermediate. For aliphatic diazonium ions, the N2 is immediately lost, generating a carbocation. However, if the geometry is favorable, antiperiplanar arrangement, a neighboring group or bond migration, 1,2 shift, can occur simultaneously with loss of N2. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substrate. The starting material is trans, 2-aminocyclohexane, 1-ol. The two substituents OH and NH2 are trans to each other on the cyclohexane ring, as indicated by H and OH on wedge and NH2 and H on dash at adjacent carbons. Moving on to the next step. Reaction with HNO2. The NH2 group is converted to a diazonium ion, N2+, in C2. And for the final step. Since the OH and N2+ groups are trans, antiperiplanar, to each other on the cyclohexane ring, the C bond between C1 and C2 is antiperiplanar to the leaving N2+ group. This sets up a semipinacol type, or Whitmore, 1,2 carbon shift, as N2 departs from C to the C1, C2 bond migrates with its electrons to C2 forming a ring contracted carbocation at C1. The ring contraction converts the 6-membered ring into a 5-membered ring, cyclopentane ring, with a carbocation at the former C1 position, which also bears the OH group. This gives a cyclopentane ring with an oxocarbenium or aldehyde-forming intermediate. The OH at the migrating carbon is now at the cationic center, and loss of a proton, or the oxocarbenium collapses, gives cyclopentane carboxaldehyde. The product is cyclopentane-carboxaldehyde, a cyclopentane ring with a ChO substituent formed by ring contraction from cyclohexane. Why other options fail? B. Cyclohexane 1,2 diol would require simple substitution of NH2 by OH with retention of ring size, but aliphatic diazonium ions under these conditions undergo rearrangement, not simple substitution. C. 2-aminocyclohexane would require elimination, not the observed rearrangement product. D. Cyclohex 2-enol, also an elimination product retaining 6-membered ring, inconsistent with ring contraction. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.